So today I'll be showing you how to wire transfer to your Coinbase. So here's a step-by-step guide to transfer wire to your Coinbase. So first, you have to verify your Coinbase account before making a wire transfer. After that, open Coinbase, your verification, and upload your government ID if you're not yet verified. Step 2, you must request a wire transfer, and once your account is verified, you can click Settings and go back to your Coinbase account and click Payment Methods and then Request Wire Transfer. On your account information, enter the recipient's name, bank account number, and address. To transfer amount, enter the amount you wanted to transfer. And the receive code, you will receive a unique receive code which you'll need to give to your bank. Next, initiate the wire transfer. On the bank website, you must log in your bank's online platform and go to the transfer or wire transfer section. And then enter the recipient's information, include the unique receive code in the transaction description, and then confirm the amount you want to transfer. After confirming, you must verify the transfer. Log back to your Coinbase account and go to Settings and then Payment Methods. Click on Transaction History and look for the wire transfer. For you to be able to check the transaction status, the status should show pending initially. Wait for it to process and update to complete. After that, add funds to your Coinbase. In Payment Methods, go back to Settings for you to be able to click the Payment Methods and then click on Add Funds. Enter the amount that was successfully transferred, and on your Coinbase account, confirm the transaction by logging in to your Coinbase account. And that's how to transfer wire to your Coinbase.